Hello everyone, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. Now in this video we are going to start with chapter number 11 of a grade 7, that is perimeter and area. So before we start this chapter, let's understand the concept first. Okay, so the first concept, as the name of the chapter is perimeter and area, let's just understand what is perimeter. So scholars, perimeter is nothing but the boundary. So what is a simple definition? Perimeter is a boundary of a given object or a shape. So I want everyone to note down this simple definition. It is a boundary of a given object or a shape. For example, consider this square. So the square has 4 boundaries. So the perimeter is, you just have to add all the boundaries. And what is the unit? Centimeter, kilometer, meter, etc. Let's see what is area. So the definition of an area is the amount of surface occupied by a closed figure. For example, you have this rectangle. Now what is the area? That means the space occupied by this figure. Okay, so the amount of space occupied by a closed figure is called area. And what is the unit? That is centimeter square, kilometer square, meter square. This little square is very much important. Okay, now let's see the important topic, that is the formulas of perimeter. Okay, once your formula is clear, you can easily solve all the questions from this chapter. Okay, so let's see the formulas. The first one, we have the square. So the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, because square has 4 sides, so the perimeter of a square is 4 into sides. Now what about rectangle? That is 2 length plus breadth, because we have 2 length and 2 breadth. Okay, let's see for the triangle. So we have 3 major types of triangle. The first one is the equilateral, second one is isosceles, and the third one is scalene. So we all know equilateral has 3 sides equal, so the perimeter is 3 into L. L is nothing but the sides. Now for isosceles triangle, we know 2 sides are equal, so the perimeter is 2L plus B. Here L is nothing but the sides. Now in the scalene, we know all 3 sides are different, so the perimeter is A plus B plus C. Okay, so I want everyone to note down all these formulas. These formulas are very important, and it is a perimeter's formula. Moving forward to the next topic, so let's see first formula, that is of rectangle. So what is the formula of rectangle? Length into breadth. Simple. Now for the square, the formula is side square, that is side into side. Okay, so note down these formulas as well. So all these were the formulas of area. In this video we will solve 4 questions, and in the next video we will start with another remaining questions. So now let's start with question number 1. Now read the question very properly. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of a land are 5 meter and 300 meter. Find its area. Okay, so if I'll go back, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So similarly we have to apply the formula. See, L is 500 meter, B is 300 meter, then area L into B. So 500 into 300, that is 1,50,000 meters square. Clear? Okay, so the part 1 is done. Now the second part, the cost of a land. If 1 meter square cost 10,000. Okay, for 1 meter square the cost is 10,000, and we have 1,50,000 meters square. So 10,000 into 1,50,000. So the cost of land of 1 meter square, that is 10,000. So the cost of land 1,50,000 will be 10,000 into 1,50,000. Oh my god, so you will get 150 crores. So it is a very big amount. So at the end you will write one statement, the cost is 150 crores. Okay, question number 2. Read the question very properly. Find the area of a square park, okay, whose perimeter is given to you. All right, so the first step is We know perimeter is 320. Now student, tell me the formula of perimeter of a square. That is 4 into side. So perimeter formula 4 into side, that equals to 320. Now see, this 4 is in multiply. So whenever it will change the boundary, it will get into division. So side equals to 320 divided by 4, and 320 divided by 4 is nothing but 80 meter. So we got the side is 80 meter. Now tell me the formula to find the area of square, that is side square. See, the area of square part, that is side square, and side is 80, so 80 square is nothing, 8 8 is 64, and put 2 zeros, so 6400 meter square, and this is your answer. Now let's solve the question number 3. So read the question very properly. Find the breadth, okay, of rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find the perimeter. Chalo, that's a very interesting question, and I hope you can easily solve it. So first of all, area is given to you, that is 440 meter square, and it is a rectangular plot. So tell me the area of rectangle, and the length is also given 22. Now the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So put all the values. Area value is 440, length value is 22. See, so 440, that equals to 22 into breadth. Okay, now 22 is in multiply, so it will get changed into what? Division. Very good. So breadth equals to 440 divided by 22, and that is nothing but 20. So we got our breadth is 20. Now they are asking to find the perimeter. Now tell me the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. Yes, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Just put the values. 2, length 22 given, breadth 20 we have just find. So 22 plus 20, that is 42, and 2 into 42, that is 84 meter. So your answer is 84 meter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meter. That's it. Now the question number 4, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Perimeter is given to you, length is 35, find the breadth and area. Again the similar type of question. Perimeter is given, length is given. So from this we will find our breadth. See, now tell me the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangular. Yes, that is 2L plus B. Put the values. Perimeter 100, 2 ka 2, length is 35 plus B. Now this 2 is in multiply, so it will get changed into what? Division. So 100 divided by 2, that equals to 35 plus B. 100 divided by 2 we know that is 50. Now plus 35, so it will get changed into minus. 50 minus 35, that equals to breadth, and 50 minus 35 is nothing but 15 centimeter. Done. So breadth we have find. Now let's find the area. So scholars, tell me the formula to find the area of rectangular sheet, that is length into breadth. So length is 35, that is given, and breadth we have just find, that is 15. So 35 into 15, and that is 525 centimeter square. Okay, you have to put this square. Done. So at the end you will write the area of rectangular sheet is 525 centimeter square. So this is it for the today's session, and we have completed exercise 11.1 question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next video we will solve the remaining questions. You take very good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.